Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Stella from the Winx Club in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, this is for the outfit. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle, this one and also this one, and then you're going to color it with this color for all the selection, and you're going to put on this crown. This is from the VIP room, but if you don't have VIP, you can replace it with another crown. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this shirt area, and we're going to put on this top, and then for the color, you're going to make it this color. Okay, this is for the color code, and then I'm going to make it glitter. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this area, and I'm going to put on this skirt. Alright, and then again, I'm going to make it the same orange color and make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this belt, and for the color, I'm going to make it this orange, dark orange color. Okay, and then we're going to make it glitter. Okay, and sorry for my glitter guys, sometimes the glitter is not working. Okay, for this one, you're going to make it glitter as well. Alright, and then I'm going to move to this area and put on this gloves. And then I'm going to remove the fur. And for the color, I'm going to make it this color, and then you're going to make it glitter. Alright, and I'm going to move to the changing room, and then I'm going to put on this dress, and we're going to choose skirt only. And for the first selection, make it this color. And for the second selection, make it this pink color and make it pink for the ribbon. And then again, we're going to make the material glitter. And I'm going to go to the VIP room. I'm going to put on this top, this butterfly top, but I'm just going to choose only chains. And I'm going to color it with this blue color for the first selection and also the second selection. Alright, and then I'm going to put on this shoes, and I'm going to choose only shoes, and for the color, I'm going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and I'm going to combine it with this heels. And again, I'm going to make it same color for all the selection. And I'm going to go to this area and put on this item. Yes. Okay, and then I'm going to make it blue. Okay, for this one, I'm going to make it no pearls. Oops, sorry, only pearls, I mean. Okay, we can make it this blue color. Okay guys, and then the last one, we're going to put on the wings, this one and also this one, and I'm going to show you the coat. For the wings guys, you can color it like this. For this one, make it this color for the first selection, second selection, third selection, and fourth selection. And for this one, you're going to make it this color, this one, and also this one. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Stella from the Winx Club in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!